Have you just deleted your Chrome browser history? And now you realize there is something that you need. You can view the deleted browser history if you access your browser while logged in. Simply open your Google account for management, then navigate to Data and Privacy. Now, scroll down and locate My Activity. Click on it. You will then be redirected to the page where you can view all of your history. Here, the search box enables you to search by keyword. Google's history activity depends on the settings you have configured. Typically, Google retains the data for either 3, 18, or 36 months. You also have the option to disable auto deletion.